Clauses. Clauses are a group of words that has a subject and a predicate. There are two kinds of clauses. The main or independent clause and the subordinate or dependent clause. Main clause. Main, main clause contains a subject and a predicate. It can stand alone as a complete sentence. For example, Mother will cook our meals and I will wash the dishes. Subordinate clause. Group of words that has a subject and a predicate, but the clause can stand alone as a complete sentence. It is only a part of a sentence. For example, if it will not rain. Types of dependent clause. Adverb clause, adjective clause, and noun clause. Adverb clause functions as adverb. It tells how, when, where, and to what extent the action is performed. Adjective clause. A subordinate clause that modifies a noun, a pronoun, in another clause by telling what kind or which one. It often begins with a relative pronoun. For example, I finished reading the magazine that you buried me. Noun clause. Subordinate clause that acts as a noun. There are introductory words that, where, whose, which, whichever, how, however, why, what, whatever, who, and whom. For example, whatever you need can be found in the closet.